everyone, welcome to Official Super Mario Hour. I'm the Mario Kid, a Mario Kid mini build, and series for character pack. I have no idea what it is because we haven't opened it up. Whoa, the music, whoa, the music, whoa, the music. I gotta go over there and build it, but I'm gonna be right back and build in the video.
Mario, 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 Mario. It's the official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour.
It's the official Super Mario Hour! Dad, got one up!
Yeah, you did.
Hello everyone, it's a Mario Kid mini build, official Super Mario Mario Kid mini build, series for a character pack. I have no idea what it will be, but I can't open this up because look. Have to always use the scissors. Cool. Good call. Open it up. There are 10 to collect. So last time we were here, we built a bully, but it's over there. I can't show you it right now. But we got that Lego guy that's not from Lego Mario. He's also in the video, but I don't know why we have a character that's not from Lego Mario. Aw man, did I not open it up all the way? Oh, I cut it from the wrong placement. I was supposed to cut from here and I didn't. Shoot. There we go. We got it open. Now, let's see what this could be. We got a new one! I think I know what it is. It's a Stinby. A Stinby. I'm calling that Sting Boy because it stings boys. Come over here. Do you want to see all these pieces for the Sting Boy? It's actually a Sting Bee, but I'm calling it Sting Boy because it stings boy. Does that make sense? Get some coins. Okay, let's get building. Where do you want to start? We have to start here. Now, there's a Sting Boy. It says Sting Boy on there. Okay, here we go. Look at all these fun pieces! Dad! Dad! Come look at these fun pieces!
Whoa.
It's a Sting Boy. It's brand new.
Whoa.
That's actually Sting Bee, but I'm calling it Sting Boy because it stings boys. Makes sense?
Oh,
look
no.
Look at those eyes.
You don't want to get stung by the
This is
Sting
the
Bee.
stinger. Ay, ay, ay! Oh, no. Never mind. Wait. Ay, ay, ay! Okay. Let's construct. Okay. And boom! And another! I think that's on the back, so maybe I was just building the front. Okay. There we go. So, let's see which side I want to be the back. Let's do this side as the back. Oh no, why did I? No, I lost my back. There's my back. I found my back. The music's back from Dory's Beachfront. So last time we were here, we constructed Dory's Beachfront. Oh, that's the bad piece of the sandcastle. Have to break it. So yeah, Dory's Beachfront, a good set to pick up in the years 2024. Yeah. Oh, on the other side, it's just the same thing. It's this side. But man, it's so exciting that we got another one. Man. We got 4 that's not the same. How is that possible? We must have got lucky. Dad, I think we got very lucky that we got 4 that's not the same. You're happy that we got 4 that's not the same too? We can't scan it unless we go, because this Mario's still connected. I fell over. But man, I like it. It's almost impossible to build. That's because those wings, excuse me. Oh there. The instructions is in the way. If you have instructions, they might get in the way of your pieces. Oh, I threw that. Where is the eyes? Where did I set them? Where's my Stinby eyes? That has to be yeah, that's I don't know if you hear that, but my ums. Ooh. Super Mario World inside a castle. That's good music. Oh, I know. I think I just put away a piece that I needed. It took me forever to find that piece, but it was under the it popped it inside the character bag. So I had to find it. Oh no, this looks hard. I'm sure I can do it. Ah! Please make me be able to put these on, please! Yes! Man, oh weird. No, please work again. Oh man! Did I put it on wrong? Did I put them both on wrong? I think we have to put them on straight. Oh no. Ah! And now it's gone. Now a piece is gone that I totally needed. Oh no! There it is! Oh! Whoa! That took me forever. Oh, I just found it. I found a piece I needed bad. Okay, how do I? Can you put this one on? I know how I did the other one, but I can't do that one now. How is this here? That little machine over there can do it. Whoa! Whoa! Sorry about that, Lego man. That's a little Lego man. Let's show him up to the camera. It's a little Lego man. Here's a fuzzies. And here's a cannon that shoots you off to the airship. What music does that say it's from?
Super Paper Mario. Have you played that one?
No. Here's a cannon that shoots you up to the airship. Bowser's airship.
What's on your shirt today?
Super Mario Maker! Or Super Mario Maker 2. I don't know which one. There's the Stinby! So here's the Stinby. Look, I'm already disconnected. Oh, it's because they're both off. I don't like how you kill this guy. It's because he's up a little bit. See? He's up. Look. Scan the star of Lego Mario. It says we already did him. It says I did good on him. How do you... Oh, there we go. I only have to connect Mario this time. Oh, I forgot he's off. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, Mario. Oh, I just blew the pieces. Well, I can scan the store with Lego Mario. Is it going to work this time? Added a new set. Let's go. I gotta fix that. Look. Look, there's only a little bit things to build left. So we'll put the Stinby right there. Wait. Stinby. I'm calling it Stinby because
Stinby.
I'm calling it Stinby because it stings boys. Does that make sense? Stings boys. That's what I'm right doing for right now. Like listening to that music. We should probably take them off because we're listening to two musics at the same time. What music is that from?
Super Paper Mario.
So we're still in the same song. We're going to be playing that on my channel as well. Super Paper Mario, we're going to be playing that. But, yeah. Come on.
What are we playing right now?
Premier Color Splash. And
A good one?
And do some more Bros. We're at the 2 games at the same time. Not good.
If anybody hasn't played Color Splash, check out the videos.
Some more Galaxy ending. I got it correct, didn't I? Does it say that?
Mm-hmm.
I knew it, didn't I? Oh, this is a really grassy display. Standards. Why did it turn down? That I will turn down. Boy, boy. What does that I will turn down mean? What are you doing? Just jumping around? Sorry, Lego Man. That's a Lego Man. That's why I'm calling him Lego Man. I have his dad for sure, but he's not here. He's just over. He's upstairs somewhere. Did you know Mr. Dan has a new gaming channel? I don't know where it is. How do I get that? Oh, there we go. There we go. You make one and I make one.
Uh-oh.
Just put this on there.
Lego Man took the dive.
No, that's Stinby.
Oh. Stingboy took the dive. Stinby.
No, I'm calling it Stinby.
Ugh.
I think I'm going to finish Mario for years.
Oh, I only dropped mine twice.
Oh, no. Oh, no. This flower's having a hard time growing up. There we go. Now the flower's grown up. I skipped ahead before. That's all the pieces? Man, that's a lot to finish off. But why do we have a fire? Why do we have a little fire piece here?
I don't know.
I didn't see that until we dumped the
We'll see.
pack.
We'll see if that one comes in.
I don't think it will, because
Did that come with the pack? Or
Yeah.
Is that from the boneyard?
I think it came with the pack. We'll see if we need it. I just put it right over there. In a beach. Looking like no, because it's the grass stand. It just popped out. I gotta get rid of these pieces. Yeah!
Where's Stinby
Yeah.
going?
Well, you can just skip ahead because it shows you all the pieces of them.
I like that one.
Okay, then what? Oh, yeah, you put them on this display. There we go, the Stingy's done! So here's what the Stingy looks like. Super Mario Bros. 3. World 1-1.
What is Stinby from? Do you remember?
Super Mario 3D Land.
I think you might be from Honey Hive Galaxy.
No, he's not.
He's not? Maybe you're right.
Because you can kill him.
Oh.
Let's kill him on Super Mario Galaxy. Alright, so if you liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. But one more thing. How did you get him? You just knock him off? Where did Mario go? Maybe I lost him? I couldn't have. Oh, there he is. Hiding behind the pad. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Almost went away. You don't have to get him once.
Oh, you got 2 coins.
How about this? How about I do this? Lego man. Knock him off.
Was that a good build?
Yeah, the Stinby is stinging me now that I kill him. Oh! Get him again, Mario! Get him a lot of times until he's gone. I'll just knock him off the side. Thank you. Now he won't sting me anymore. Hey, just come back! No more flight. Bye, boy, bye, 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 bye. Why don't you like, subscribe us? Why don't you like, subscribe us? Why don't you like, subscribe? Thank you. Bye.
Why don't you like and subscribe us? Why don't you like and subscribe us? Why don't you like and subscribe? Like and subscribe!
Thank you.
It's the official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour.